Huh? It's from that GP Texas, you know what I'm saying?
Already, man.
Street to the beat.
That's what's
As
up.
you can see, with some G's. Who you with? All the time, that nigga Lonesome and the Gorilla.
Already, baby.
Man. You gotta knock if you buck.
I knock him if I'm bucking. Know what I'm saying?
You gotta knock if you buck, cause if not you live stuck. All the time on the ground we make all the fucking sounds. Stay around the town, cause there's such, we some G's. Stay RGB as you fucking can see. We don't give up, we just keep fucking raising. Coming through this bitch, then my God I be praising all the time. Stay on my grind, I gotta fucking shine, and I gotta pack that fucking 9.
You can nuck if you buck, I'm a nut cause I don't give a fuck. I'ma slap a bitch right in her butt. I've been the damn over, I'm barking like a rover. Look at my damn dog, nigga, the game is fucking over. Man, I'm slinging, I'm banging, I hit the damn block, nigga, let my nuts start to fucking hanging to the floor. I'm the hoe, I'ma kick down your door. If you talking shit to me, I'ma chop you like my fro.
Well, I knock if I'm buck, well I'm knock if I'm crunk, and I knock nigga if I'm sitting back blazing skunk. Every day, every night, just trying to get high. Nigga like me be like fucking nigga, fucking never mind. That niggas ain't talking about shit, he got niggas that make y'all quit. Coming out, hell yeah, listen to the flow, I'm finna spit.
Yeah.
Like a spider, I mean like a fucking cobra. I'm coming down, nigga, riding in the damn clover. Riding in the clover and I'm riding in them guns. Leave your ass stunned, make your motherfucking ass run. I'm like a fucking eagle, I fucking spit like Smeagol. I ain't fucking crazy, I ain't fucking lazy. Every time I come through, I ain't dripped up in blue, I'm dripped up in black and brown. Make a fucking sound, and I put you on the ground, I put you in the grave. No motherfucking nigga, you know, you able to say.
Well, I'm just busting the bitches, I'm just lusting. Never ever trusting, watch how I keep on busting. That's my tech, nigga, best believe I can't protect, nigga. I stepped in this motherfucker, nigga, I pulled the trigger on any bitch or any motherfucking body. I pull my damn shotty, I put it to your body. 1, 2, nigga, you gone. Now you talking all you long. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, baby, I stay fucking strong.
Stay strong, like they keep home. Y'all niggas fucking with me, nigga, y'all that wrong. Like Biggie said, nigga don't give a fuck, I'll blow somebody's head. Hell yeah, nigga, I'm for the red, nigga, not the blue. I'm coming down, I'm in stupid, nigga, what it do? God flex, nigga, well, nigga, I do too. And I'm coming by 30 deep, nigga, with the same crew.
A nigga like me, I always got the flu, cause I never draped up in motherfucking what blue. Coming through this bitch and I leave you out your britches, leave you in stitches, leave your ass in ditches. For real though, as if you know I ain't no hoe, I would tell you in your face, and I'll tell you that though. You ain't my bro, you ain't my nigga. I pull not 6 figures, but I pull something though. You know?
You know. Man, you motherfuckers lucky, man.
Man.